Hi everyone, it's Lou. I am going to code in a boss remote only because we've had some requests, and the way it is, I don't think it justifies going out. I'm here anyway. I'm going to have a go at doing it. So this is a boss unit. I haven't done this for a while. So this is the one that I've got from my family that's living here, and these are the two. One's a generic, one's a proper boss. Let's see if it works. I'm in the garage. Fortunately, they've got something for me to step on. I'm going to press this brown button. Oh, that worked. So I did manage to code this one, which is the boss one. It's actually quite simple. There's a little brown button up the top, and all I have to do is press the radio button, code it in, and it's working. Now here is a generic one. All right, this one doesn't have any battery. Maybe I've had it in store too long. It was a generic one that I keep on spare. Okay, that's just cheapy, but at least I've got this working. Hey Natalie, I've got this one working for you. So tick, that's one off. And that's Jamie's one. No worries, let's go to the next project.